Hey, this is Joseph with Funkytown Music Academy. And we are here with an easy beginner guitar lesson in which we will look at a few different kinds of notes and actually do some sheet music reading. We're going to remember that we have three notes that we're looking at here on the high E, or the first string, and they are E, F, and G. Keep in mind that we're going to use fingers 1, 2, 3, and 4 a lot of the time on our left hands to actually be playing the first, second, third, or fourth fret. Now, the three notes that we're going to be focusing on today are E, F, and G, and those will be played on the open, first, or third fret of your guitar. So without any further ado, let's get into these notes. Again, just to review, this is our high E string. It's the highest open string that we have on a standard tuned guitar. When we play just this open E string, it plays the note E, which is represented on the top space in our treble clef of sheet music. When we use our first finger to play fret 1, that turns it into an F. When we use finger 3 on fret 3, that turns this note into a G. And these are the notes that we'll be playing in these two songs. The first one we're going to play at 70 BPM. It's going to be The Sounds of Jazz. 1, 2, ready, go. One, two, ready, go. One, two, ready, go. Let us know if you liked this video, if it was helpful for you, just to get a little bit of a review on what we need to be working on, learning the three notes that we're going to use a lot of the time on our high E or first guitar string. Leave us comments and questions below. We'll try and get back to you as quickly as we can, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our latest lessons. If you have requests for things you'd like to see, let us know as well. Hope to see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.